Since we just deboned and tore apart our roasted chicken carcass, by the way, this is the Firehouse Chef, McKay. Figured we could take this carcass and then show you how to make chicken stock. I've had a couple of you guys ask me to show this in the past. I figured this would be a great time to do it. You got everything all laid out and ready to go, and you know we're making it fresh, and it's homemade, and we're recycling the chicken carcass. So let's make it. We're not recycling the stock, just the chicken carcass. And one of the things I love about this recipe is how cheap it is, and you're basically using all staple items and leftovers. I'm going to talk, you got a very, just root vegetables, some herbs, the carcass, water, and that's it. Now we got a very classic French trio of onion, celery, carrot, garlic, we got rosemary, we got thyme, we got a bay leaf, and we got a cheesecloth, which is something that you wrap your bouquet garni in, and we already discussed that earlier. Watch the episode. Put this all together with a carcass, fill it all the way with some water, bring it to a boil, simmer, 3 hours. You're done. That's it. Really. Let's get cracking. Now I want to show you a very quick example. I made this chicken stock probably, a few days ago. And in the refrigerator, it's going to kind of allow the fat to solidify. You can see it kind of sticks to the top of the lid here. There's a very fine, particles that are sitting here that are a little bit of fat. So, that's typical. That's what you expect. It means you made good chicken stock. So you can either do one of two things. You can either ladle it out with a spoon or just run it through, again, a cheesecloth and a funnel straight into another container and you're good to go, or into the final product wherever you're going to be using it. Nothing really else to kind of worry about. Pretty easy. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, a very quick episode on chicken stock. Now you can use the same thing for beef stock, just good luck getting a beef carcass. Or fish stock or vegetable stock, same process, very easy, nice and simple. You saw how quick that was. Well, besides the 3 hours. And everything was very much just recycled or very cheap staple items. Better than buying it at the store. So until next time. But you would have thrown away the chicken, so it's probably a good thing anyways. Anyways, bye-bye.